So today's project, we're going to find out what you can do with just 2 items from the Dollar Tree. Come check it out. Here we go. Hey guys, and welcome to my channel where we do DIY projects, crafts, and some organization, but all on a budget. Let's hop into today's video. The first thing you'll need is one of these stretched canvases from the Dollar Tree. I chose the 8x10, but there's several other sizes. Then I used a pencil and I started sketching on the canvas the design that I was going to want to use. I used a pencil so that it could easily erase and fix the shape. An easier way to do this is to either sketch on another piece of paper and transfer it on, or you could print something off from the computer and on the back side scribble with pencil, then lay it on your canvas and trace over the outline to get your design on the canvas. Both of these ways would save you from overstretching the canvas and having lax areas or having any unwanted marks. Once I was satisfied with my sketch, I broke out the thumbtacks from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has both gold and silver. I'm going to use gold for my project. There's some spots where the wood frame that the canvas is stretched over, that are kind of difficult to get the thumbtacks in, but the actual canvas part is very simple to press them in. If you don't like where you end up putting the thumbtack, you can easily pull it back out and put it back in to make sure you're liking where it's at. I started by following my pencil sketch. Once I was done with the outline, I went ahead and I filled in the rest of it. What I found best for that wooden frame part is just to put them where you like them and then use a hammer to get them all the way in. Really, that's all there is to it. So here's the final project. Although getting all the thumbtacks in does take some time, I really like how this turned out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of it. Next week, we'll explore another way to use the thumbtacks from the Dollar Tree. I hope you guys enjoyed and give it a shot, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye-bye!